SOSPIS is an enormously useful tool for most safety professionals because what we end up doing is automating many of these historically manual processes for them. Instead of having a worker have to find a supervisor who then takes the information about an incident or a close call, the worker can create the incident report or close call report themselves and forward that directly to the safety professional. This is faster, it's almost always more accurate because it's done more closely at the time an incident occurred. From there, determine the need for a root cause analysis, the need for preventative actions, the need for engaging other teams within the company to help with a deeper incident investigation.